Sometimes we have to set the record straight, not for pride but for clarity, because correct optics, accurate perspectives, and complete context matter. Now, in a firm phone call with United States President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi made it clear India and Pakistan stopped military actions last month after a direct communication between these two armed forces without any US mediation. Now, Mr. Modi was addressing Trump's claim that he brokered the ceasefire by threatening trade cuts with both countries. Now, Mr. Modi corrected the record, stating that talks were initiated by Pakistan itself and that India has never ever accepted and nor will ever accept any foreign mediation on such matters. So the conversation took place as the two leaders couldn't meet at the G7 summit due to Trump's early departure. During this 35-minute phone call, several key issues were also discussed, and India-Pakistan conflict was also discussed. The clashes from May 7 to 10, they were response to the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack. India launched Operation Sindoor on May 7th, targeting terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. India's response was measured and precisely focused only and only on terror infrastructures. And after India's strong military retaliation on May 9th and 10th, which damaged Pakistani air bases, Pakistan requested to stop India the hostilities. Now, Prime Minister Modi reminded Trump that India had warned of a strong response to any further aggression. No India-US trade deals or mediation proposals were discussed during this entire episode and call. The ongoing tensions between Israel and Iran, then the importance of direct dialogue in the Russia-Ukraine war, strong commitment to cooperation in the Indo-Pacific, and support for the Quad alliance was also discussed. Prime Minister Modi also invited Mr. Trump to visit India for the next Quad summit, and Trump accepted. So what is the bottom line? India made its position crystal clear. Terrorism is no longer viewed as a proxy war but as war itself. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that India acts with resolve, precision, and without outside measure. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.